Pocket I Ching Oracle. From David P. Solomon. Have you noticed the I Ching, sometimes known in the West as the Book of Changes, experiencing a resurgence in popularity lately? For the benefit of those out of the loop, let me briefly explain. A hexagram is a set of 6 lines where each line is either solid or broken, with a total of 64 possible combinations. There's obviously much more to it, but I don't want to go into it too deeply. I've been studying the system for a while now, but I wish there was a quicker way to generate hexagrams. I thought perhaps this ancient divination method be brought into the modern era somehow as a pocket device. From Carl Teskey. 6 coin flips, is it then? From David P. Solomon. Not at all. There is a much more detailed process through which one arrives at the reading involving yarrow stalks. I stopped by to try to describe it to you, but you weren't at your desk. Suffice it to say that we will need to generate the readings in the proper way if it is to be taken seriously as a divination tool. From Zhang Ji. I found a part that works for this. It implements the physical yarrow stock method in miniature, MEMS. Strange. So we can just create a display for the result. Obviously, interpretation is up to the user. Now, I've seen this. It's in the supplemental data. And yeah, if I open it up in Concept CAD, Button and Oracle are simple inputs connected to a MEMS-based Oracle engine. Display is a display output connecting to a custom LCD screen designed to visualize I Ching hexagrams. When the button is pushed, the Oracle engine will generate 6 values corresponding to the 6 lines of an I Ching hexagram from bottom to top. When the final value is generated, the display should be updated to match. No. Oh, well, there's some verification. But anyways, the Pocket I Ching chip is actually part of the data sheets. It's in the supplemental data here, under... Yeah, and they've rearranged it a bit, haven't they? And it looks like they've removed the Pocket I Ching documentation. Huh. I guess they thought they didn't need it. Oh wait, no, it would be under chips, wouldn't it? As opposed to supplemental data. Oh, yeah, here it is. Yeah, Kuji GK Limited. Kuji EK1 Oracle Engine. About Kuji. Kuji was founded in 1992 by Shushin Yukawa. We create a variety of electronic devices. In addition to world-leading accelerometers and gyroscopes, our company has pioneered the miniaturization of divination and other spiritual techniques using easily integrated micro-electromechanical systems. This new kind of spiritual computation, or spiritation, combines ancient learning with modern manufacturing and engineering, and promotes understanding of the true nature of reality. So, the EK1 Oracle Engine. Since time immemorial, the divination method known as I Ching has provided guidance, wisdom, and insight to practitioners and lay people alike. However, the traditional method using yarrow stocks is not commonly performed today, and people who wish to receive the insights of the I Ching use later developed methods such as tossing coins or even use programs based on the common random number generator RNG of modern computer systems. Pained by this situation, our founder Shushin Yukawa has developed the EK1, which painstakingly recreates the traditional yarrow stock I Ching divination method in miniature with advanced MEMS technology. Includes built-in piezoelectric generator that converts a user's mechanical energy into electric energy to conduct the divination process. Generates an I Ching hexagram represented as a stream of 6 digital values over 6 time units, starting with the lowermost line. A value of 100 corresponds to a solid line, and a value of 0 corresponds to a broken line. Contains 50 microscopic precision-milled Achillea millefolium stalks to recreate the oldest and truest method of hexagram generation. So, visual representation of the chip. There's a button, Simple I/O, and Oracle Simple I/O. Other spiritation products by Kuji GK Limited, Kuji TU1 Palmistry, Kuji SS1 Four Pillars of Destiny, Kuji AS1 Western Astrology, Kuji SH1 Onomancy, and Kuji FS1 Feng Shui. product demonstrations are available at Kuji headquarters in Yamagata City, Yamagata Prefecture, Japan. Please contact us via email to schedule an appointment. Well, that's not exactly very helpful, but... So, we have simple inputs and a complicated output. Okay, so it's a bunch of simple IOs. Let's start with 2 DX300s, since they'll map easily enough. And let's see, when button is pushed, Oracle Engine will generate 6 values corresponding. Okay, so simple input, simple output. So time it 100, 100, 0, 100, 0, 100. And so after this, it should update. So the bottom 2 are connected. The third from the bottom is broken. The 4th one from the bottom is connected. And the 5th one from the bottom is broken. And 6th is connected. So simple inputs and simple outputs. We're going to need simple IOs. So, let's hook that up there. This here, test greater than P1, 0. And if it's not, jump to end, sleep 1. Okay, so if it is, then we need to be reading in. So, loop. Test greater than P0 and 0. Okay, so... So while it is... we need to read in and then adjust it based on what the final value is. I think we need 2... well, maybe not. Or we might need 2 MC4000s as well. But I need to be able to connect them easily. So, what if I move this up to here, that up there, and I hook this up to here, and okay, what if I use a bridge here? That could maybe output something here to an MC4000X. Does that kind of makes sense? I mean, well, no, I mean, I still need to fit another one in here and then connect it up to here. Or maybe not. Maybe if I fit this one here, I can connect this to here, then connect this to, like, down here to here, and that's not, well, no, this could work. Not if I do that, though. And not if I do that. Unless I bridge it again. Okay, yeah, no, I could do this, there, to there, and to there. Okay, so, well, it's 2 separate loops. So if it is move 1, x1. Oh, actually, we need to be keeping track of this. It's greater than accumulator 3. Will that work? If it's not, test greater than. No, wait. Test less than accumulator 4. And if it is, test grade, or actually, well, first add 1, and then test greater than P00. And then jump loop and loop 2. Then test less than accumulator 7 is add 1. Test greater than P00, move 1, x2, jump, loop 2. Okay, does that work? Well, kind of too many operands. Oh, jump, loop 2. Okay, so tea is going cold. I don't know. I may need to use 6000s here because I may need the data registry. But then again, I also would need to keep track of where it is. Because as this controls the bottom 3 lines, this controls the top 3 lines. Oh well, you know what, I'm just gonna mash stuff out, sleep eggs. Test greater than X naught. No wait, is that gonna work? I don't think so. Oh, you know, don't I may need to put in a sleep in each of these as well. Which is a problem because it presents a different problem as well, because then it doesn't sleep. I don't know. How am I going to do this? I'm not seeing a good way. Because I need a lot of lines. I don't know, maybe... Or maybe not. I mean, what if I did... What if the loop was just there? Just did that. I would only need an MC4000 if this is the case. So what if I try this and this? Then I need I don't know. Copy the code. Oh. Okay, and then here, sleep. P1. Yo, this might actually work with just one MC6000 now. Because I can wire this in, then wire one of this up to here, and wire one of these down to this one. Okay, so sleep X, X naught. But the problem is... I have to update them both simultaneously? Which means... separate microcontrollers, maybe? Okay, that there... And there isn't space for 2 microcontrollers. Unless, because I need this to DST to these ones. Whoops. Actually, there might be enough space for 2 microcontrollers. Nope, there isn't.